Namaste! Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rijana from Nepal. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how I created this look. This is a Christmas inspired makeup look using the two colors green and red. So I hope you will enjoy watching how I created this look. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Merry Christmas to everyone who's celebrating Christmas and happy holidays to everyone. So let's start. So I have done my eyebrows, I have prepped my eyes already. So today I'm directly going to start by doing my eye look. So I'm going to take this James Charles palette by Morphe. I will start by taking the light green shade in this palette and using a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it on the crease and then blend it in this outward direction. In order to get an elongated effect to my eyes, I will flick this eyeshadow in the upward direction towards my eyebrows. Now I will take this dark green shade from the palette and using a smaller blending brush, I'm going to apply it on the crease of my eyes and blend it along the crease only. I will apply the same dark green color also on the outer third of my eyes. To make sure that this dark green color is well blended, I am going to take a clean blending brush by Morphe and blend it. I like to go back and blend the outer edge again to avoid any kind of harsh lines. To add on, I will take this shimmery shade of green and pat it on the center of my eyelid. I'm using a flat brush for this purpose. I will then apply this shimmery champagne color and pat it on the inner part of my eyes. I'm using another flat brush to do so and then also using my fingers to make it more intense. Now moving on to the lower lash line, I will apply the same dark green shade on it. I want to make it sure that it is very close to my lash line. Let's take the light green shade and buff out the edges of this dark green eyeshadow. Now I will highlight the inner corner of my eyes. This is actually the first time I'm using a green shade of eyeshadow on my eyes. I will also highlight the brow bone area. Once that is done, I will apply eyeliner. This is by NYX. Now I will tightline my eyes. I've completed my eyeshadow and eyeliner part. I will come back to my eyes later. So now I will move on to my face. I have already applied moisturizer and sunscreen. Actually, basically I have already done my skincare. So after this, I'm going to apply a primer. And focus it mostly on the center of our face and then extend it into the other parts of my face. I'm going to apply the foundation by Huda Beauty. I'm going to use this Real Thick foundation brush and apply it on my Normally brushes give more coverage in comparison to beauty blender. You can see it really helps to cover up all the dark spots around my chin area. I will take my Huda Beauty concealer and apply it, mainly focusing on this. It is more dark over here, and then also apply a little bit on this corner and take my beauty blender and blend that. Since I have many problems around my mouth and it's also kind of dark, I'm applying it and using the same foundation brush. I'm going to blend it. I'm going to apply powder on my under eye area because we have applied concealer. It will crease easily, so we need to set that also on my this mouth area where I have applied concealer. I'm going to set it up. And then using a fluffy brush, I'm going to mix the powder and just apply it on the whole face. I'm going to use bronze Physicians Formula's butter bronzer and then contour my face. And then using the same brush and pinching it, I'm going to use that to contour my nose. I'm going to take this shade here, this one, and apply it as my highlighter. I'm going to pinch the brush and then apply it on the high points of my cheek. I'm going to use my fingers and apply it here, over my lips, on the nose, here, and then so once that is done, using this matte finish setting spray by NYX, I'm going to spray my whole face. So now I'm going to apply this red lipstick by Maybelline called Pioneer, shade number 20. It's a beautiful, beautiful red lipstick, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to top it off using a lip gloss. I'm going to go all shiny, shiny here. Then I will apply this mascara by Maybelline. I always apply 2 coats of mascara. This is the finished look without lashes, just only mascara, but you can always apply falsies to give that extra oomph factor. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you very much for coming back to my channel, and I hope you will like, share, subscribe and hit that bell button to get the notifications of my future upload. Thank you very much, and once again, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye bye.